In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore old photos with Gemini AI. Whether you're bringing a faded family portrait back to life or cleaning up a time-worn snapshot, I'll walk you through a simple, reliable process that delivers impressive results. We'll move from opening Gemini to uploading your photo, guiding the AI with a clear prompt, sending the request, and finally downloading your restored image. I'll also share a few tips along the way so you get the best possible outcome. First, open Gemini on the web or in the app. Have your old photo file ready on your device so you can access it quickly. A stable internet connection will help the processing run smoothly, especially with larger images. Once you're in Gemini, look for the option to attach or upload a file. You can use the Upload button or simply drag and drop the photo into the chat area. Most common formats like JPG and PNG work well. Higher resolution images generally produce better restorations, so if you have a clearer version, choose that one. Next, it's time to tell Gemini exactly what you want. In the chat box, type the following prompt. Restore and enhance this old photo, remove scratches, improve clarity, colorize. This single instruction covers the full range of fixes many old photos need. Restore and enhance signals overall cleanup and quality improvement. Remove scratches targets those fine abrasions and creases that distract from faces and details. Improve clarity asks for sharpening and noise reduction to bring out edges and textures without overdoing it. And colorize transforms black and white images into natural-looking color. Keep the phrasing as written for a balanced, all-in-one treatment. Now, send your request. Press Enter or click the Send icon, and give Gemini a moment to process. The time it takes will vary based on your image size and server load. While it's working, avoid navigating away from the page so the job finishes cleanly. When the result is ready, you'll see the restored image appear in the conversation. Finally, download the result. Click the Download button or the provided link, and save the image to a familiar folder on your device. Give the file a clear name and consider keeping your original photo alongside the restored version for comparison and safekeeping. That's it. You opened Gemini, uploaded your old photo, used a focused prompt, sent the request, and downloaded a fresh, revitalized image. Enjoy sharing the restored photo with friends and family, and repeat the same steps for any other treasured snapshots you want to bring back to life.